Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Joseph here with Washpreneurs, as you can see on the hat. Okay, today we're going to be going over how I market my pressure washing business, what I do day to day to market my pressure washing business, how I get my jobs, what's most effective, which way has more leads, more closings. However, okay, if you're wanting to get started pressure washing and you're looking how to market for your pressure washing business, how to get customers, this is the video to watch. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. I appreciate it. It'll help boost this video into the algorithm and help other people learn how to get pressure washing jobs and how to market. All right, hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, so first thing I want to say is you got to use your imagination. You got to use your creativity. Okay, you want to stand out. You don't want to just make these boring flyers or boring, postcards or whatever and just put them in people's mailboxes or just hand them out. Okay, they're gonna be boring. They've seen 10,000 pressure washing flyers already. Okay, you want to stand out a little bit. All right, put your branding on it. That's number 2, branding. All right, you want to brand your business. All right, so you want that to build that familiarity. Is like, oh, I've seen that before. Oh wait, I've seen that before. There they go again. That's them again. Okay, so you want to build that so the customers can, oh wait, I've seen that card before. I've seen their truck driving down the road before or something. All right, first thing I want to start off with are business cards. Business cards are great. Okay, implement business cards, implement your strategies. Okay, so we're gonna start with the business cards. Print out some business cards. All right, that's number 1. People are going to want to contact you. People are going to want to know what you do. So print out some business cards, hand them out to people. Okay, hand one out to a customer that you already pressure washed so they can hand them out. Okay, do not be afraid to just hand out these cards. And also, you don't want to spend tons of hours and money into these strategies right away, because like I said, people are going to throw them out. Okay, so here's my business card here. Right, simple. Got my services, my logo, and my number, and that's it. All right, I paid about $60 or something like that for like 2,000 of them. All right, now I don't hand these out. I just give them to customers who are interested. All right, so another thing, implement social media. Promote your business on social media. That's where everybody is at. That's where these people are looking for things. When they looking for pressure washing, you don't go knock on your neighbor's door. I mean, some people might, but people are on Google, people are on social media, and they're looking for things. And even if they're not looking for services, your video just might pop up on their feed. Okay, and they might be like, oh wait, I need this driveway cleaned, right? So boom, your video is right there, just in time. Perfect coincidence, right? They're gonna click on it. So use social media, utilize it, right? You got Nextdoor, Google, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, LinkedIn, Craigslist. Okay, there are these platforms for a reason, and they're free. Okay, you can put your videos out there for free, so utilize it. Okay, I love going door to door. It helps build communication skills, sales skills, marketing skills, whatever. Okay, and also I feel like there's nothing better than me actually telling them why they need this service, rather than them just looking at it on Facebook and say, I don't need this. I mean, look at this. I want to knock on this door right now, and instead of them saying, oh, I don't need this service or blah blah blah, you are basically selling it to them. Try door to door knocking. It's a numbers game. You're gonna go out there, you're gonna get a whole bunch of no's, but keep going till you get that one yes, and you'll feel much better, I promise. So door to door knocking, social media. Now we have papers, flyers, cards, anything. Okay, as you're door to door knocking, you can hand these out, or friends, family, give them out. Tell them, give them out to jobs, give them out to the schools, give them out. Okay, don't spend too much time or hours creating or designing these things, or money buying them. I spent probably no more than like $100 and already got $300 house wash off that, and that's $100 for all 3 of these things, not just one. Okay, so look at these websites. Vistaprint's a good website. Staples, probably Amazon. Okay, there are websites and platforms out there that you can utilize to market for your business. Okay, Facebook ads, I tried one time. I didn't have much success doing it, but it's definitely going to be hopefully one of your biggest marketing strategies as you're trying to scale. okay? As you tend to scale, you're gonna be looking for more and more leads, and you know, Facebook is a good lead generator, okay? So another one is word to mouth. Another way to market for your business, word to mouth, okay? As you're doing these pressure washing jobs, as you're doing these jobs for these people, they're gonna give compliments. They're going to talk about your service if it's a good service. If you are polite, if your service is good, if you actually do the job, you set expectations and then you surpass them, they're going to talk good about your business. So with that being said, they'll go to their neighbors and they will tell them, hey, look, this guy right here did pressure wash my driveway. He did an awesome job. Look at my driveway. Look at the difference. He showed up on time, blah, blah, blah. 5-star rating review, boom. Now you got a 5-star Google review. You have a client who is referring for her neighbors to you, and that is recurring business, okay? That is what you want. I would recommend yard signs, but I don't push out yard signs. I don't buy 500 yard signs and put them out around the city and do all that stuff, because people take them down. All right, people take them down. Other pressure washing companies take them down. So I really stick with the more of the flyers. These are trash bin cleaning and business cards, okay? And then mainly word to mouth, because that is the best thing to do, okay? So, you know, don't be afraid. You got to implement these strategies however you can. And once you start seeing success, and once you start seeing all of it actually work, it'll all come together exactly how you want it to. And you'll realize that all the stuff you're doing isn't for no reason. All the time you're spending, you're getting that back. And you're getting it back with a happy client. You're getting it back with money in your pocket. You're getting it back with content for your YouTube channel, with a 5-star Google review, all that crazy stuff. So you just gotta be patient. You're not gonna make $1 million tomorrow. You're not gonna pressure wash Donald Trump's house tomorrow. You gotta build it little by little and build your customer base. That's a couple ways just to market your business, and a couple tips and tricks that I learned marketing my business and getting jobs. If I missed any, I apologize, but what I said should help you get started on getting clients today. Okay, if you go door knocking, you knock on 100 doors today, you're likely to get at least 2 leads, 1 yes. All right, so implement these strategies. I want to see you guys succeed. I want to see everyone get jobs. I got a lot of people commenting, a lot of people reaching out. So here's it is. It's for you guys. And let me know if you have any questions. Put them down in the comments. Like, subscribe. We have 2K, baby. Let's do it.